Your favorite spoof on all the latest scary movies and pop culture phenomenon is back for round 5. Hey guys, I'm Naja Hill with this Coming to the Screen exclusive. Hitting theaters this week is Scary Movie 5, starring Ashley Tisdale, Simon Rex, and Molly Shannon. The film takes viewers down an eerie road as a couple begins to experience some spooky activities after adopting Charlie Sheen's dysfunctional children. Lindsay Lohan and Charlie Sheen kick the film off with a rather bizarre love scene you might not want to miss. Cat Williams dishes on Kevin Hart, The Illuminati, and Tyler Perry's Medea. Check it out.
I watched all of my friends throughout my entire life be able to dunk a basketball, but not me. So everybody can't do everything. So, you know, some of us make choices. I think it's not a biggest choice for others. I'm saying at the end of the day, Kevin doesn't have to worry about what people are going to say about him wearing a dress because of the long line of dress-wearing people before him. I've never seen Medea in a pantsuit. I think she wears dresses. So now I'm saying, why are we picking on poor little Kevin Hart? Dave Chappelle has never been a part of the Illuminati. They don't want him or me or people like us.
Blacktree sat down with Tisdale and Rex and discussed why they decided to do the franchise.
You know, for me, I love comedies. I'm so used to doing sitcoms, but this is definitely a different formula and something I've never done, so it was a different challenge.
Yeah, you know, to answer your question, for me, I'd done these before with, you know, David Zucker, so I knew what I was getting into and I didn't even hesitate. I was more than happy to do it.
Tisdale chatted with us and we discussed if we might see her in a gritty non-PG role anytime soon. Check it out.
Yeah, I definitely love doing drama, and I would love to play all different types of characters. You know, I have a production company, and we're producing features, also scripted, unscripted, so I get to kind of be able to create like my dream character.
Molly Shannon tells us how working on Saturday Night Live helped her hone her writing skills.
I learned to edit myself really quickly.
Yeah.
In a way that now, if I do TV here, I'm like, oh, that doesn't seem like that'll be funny. I can.
Yeah.
It's like a writing boot camp.
Pacing.
Yeah, because you're writing it and performing it within 1 week.
Right there. Wow.
So for friends of mine who are screenwriters, they were like, wow, I can't believe you get stuff on that fast. You're really constantly practicing your craft.
She also talks to us about why she decided to write a children's book.
I would ask my kids what they think, and I did the same thing on SNL. I always talk to kids and go, what kind of Mary Catherine Gallagher sketch would you want to see? I would like test market and see what type of sketch they want to see, and I do the same thing with my kids and their friends, asking them about what they did or did not understand in the book.
Don't forget to subscribe to Blacktree TV by clicking below. I'm Naja Hill. Thanks for watching.
Being targeted is another thing, and I was caught unaware of it, but once I became aware, then I began to understand that I needed to do a lot of work in order to be able to turn that around. They tell you that all press is good press, and then they change it.